it's getting a bit cold in here. Should I keep cool or murder trap? I say murder trap. You know what? I'm gonna bring in an extra tornado. I cannot do this single-handedly. It's speeding time. It's speeding time. Honestly, have fun with a super sub mode. Honestly, have an extra disaster for next round or whenever. Man, it's getting a bit cold in here. Man, it's getting a bit cold in here. Man, it's getting a bit cold in here. Oh man, you all died, so I'm just gonna leave now since there's nothing to do. Oh man, it's over. See you guys.